Hello, hi, it's Liz here and it's time for the Monday prompts and the Margarete Miller collage prompts, and we are at week 50. So after this week, only 2 to go. That's been a quick year, that's for sure. Oh, let's move the ribbon out of the way first before we peg this down. So this week, 6th of December, we have something that drips, something that represents a person, a door, a musical instrument, paint or ink, and the bonus to swap something is a date. And I'm going to swap something, so I'll show you what I have. I've got something that drips, which is a cloud and some raindrops. For sure, that drips. Something that represents a person, I'm going to swap with a date, and I have this little date here, which is from hubby's Sunday paper. So he's going to open his paper and discover that there's a piece cut out. I don't think there was anything important on the other side. I think it was just a photograph of something. So I have a date. Yes, that's a swap for represents a person. A door, I have this little Christmassy door, quite appropriate, with a nice wreath on it. See the door? Yep. A musical instrument, well, I have 2 for the price of 1. 2 young ladies playing what looks like clarinets. And paint or ink, I have 2 little ink pots, ink squares, ink pads even, and yeah, the bonus, a date. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and my stickers of my clouds here. So the first thing I'm going to do is something with the ink, and I'm hoping that this works out, because I am just going to simply make a pattern, and I don't even know how many squares will fit in or whether it will be even, but we'll hope for the best. Well, I'm just going to call that even. It's not quite even, but it'll do. So now we need a green one here and a green one there. Yeah, this is quite fun. A little inky background. Oops. And that's what happens when you try and talk. Oh well. Oh. Oh well, it's done. Not to worry. Some of it will get covered up. Right, so that's my ink. Now I am going to see how this will go. Something maybe like that. Let's nudge it over to make way for the clouds. So we have these stickers. I'm just going to put 1 cloud and maybe 2 raindrops. Do we need the bigger clouds now that we can overlap them? Yes, I think we'll have the 2 clouds. But let's stick this down first. I've got my sticky magazine. And that was about there, I think. Let's try and not lose a leg while you're gluing it. There we are. Yeah. We'll just get this on at the same time. I said to hubby, I said, I'm looking for a date. I says, your Sunday paper will have a date on it. Uh-huh. He's not even opened it yet. I said, can I cut it out? So yeah, sure. What about here? There. Didn't want to put it that way because I might have covered up the end of the clarinet. Let's put 3 drips. So we've got a big drip. There. So, I think that's us. Something that drips. A door. Musical instruments. Paint, ink, and a date. Yeah, so what do you think? What do we think the story is here? I think they're out, I don't know, are they out, they're not carol singers, are they buskers trying to get some Christmas money? Hopefully the person behind the door will maybe give them something. Maybe they're playing Singing in the Rain. Oh dear, it gets worse, doesn't it? Right, okay, that's me done, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.